How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can animate in Krita. Now to get started, first things first, head over to an empty project, and from here, click on this menu. Now this is going to be at the top right corner of your screen, and then click on the animation workspace. It will take us to the animation workspace where we can see timelines in order to animate our project. So in my case, I'm going to be animating a ball. Right click on the time frame and then click on the create blank frame. And basically from here, you can just start drawing your item. So in my case, I'm going to be drawing this ball right here. So let's start with this one. And right after drawing your first ball, you want to right click on the timeline again, click on the keyframes, and then insert keyframe right. In here, you want to go ahead and proceed drawing your next ball. So in our case, it's going to be something like this. And then of course, you could just repeat this accordingly. Keyframes, insert keyframe right. And then now we are going to draw another. So from here, let's just basically continue with our animation. And right after that, I'm finished with this 3 keyframes right here. And so right click on your animation, and then I'm going to set this as my start time, and the other one is going to be the end time. And so if I hit on the play button, it should look something like this. Now it's not perfect because this is only a quick tutorial, but this is how you animate in Krita. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.